Hello, and welcome to Module 9 of Unit 3. This is our final module for Unit 3. Let's see what we have to do for this week. Let's see what we have to do for Day 1, Monday, November 16th. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click Async. You have a Nearpod on paraphrasing and plagiarism. Click Join Lesson and go through the Nearpod as usual and take notes. Okay, that's the first async assignment. The second assignment is page 54 in your textbook. Okay, you're going to complete part B and take a picture and upload into Schoology. All right, that's it for async. Let's go to sync. It is Monday, so we have class together. Okay, so the few things we're going to do, we're going to paraphrase, learn how to paraphrase, practice comparative and superlative, and complete page 54, part 1 in our book. And that's it for today. Good luck.